Hey guys, Mike here from Rust Brothers. We've got so much content that we can't really show on the channel due to YouTube regs and that. So we're talking about starting a subscription. It'd be $2.99 a month. You'll get a bunch of stuff that we don't post on the YouTube due to some of the content being, let's how we say, not suitable for children. But anyway, unedited, raw, uncut stuff, a lot of it. I'll still be posting our maybe three videos a week. But it'll just, if you're a hardcore fan, you want to see stuff that we can't post on the channel, it's $2.99. That's basically the minimum we can charge due to YouTube rules to set up a subscription. So you get one live a month, 24-hour early access to the videos, and just a bunch of stuff that won't make it onto our regular YouTube videos. You'll also get longer versions and stuff that's never made the channel. So just some brand new content, never before seen. So if you want to do it, do it. If you don't want to, don't do it. No big deal. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace, love, and joy. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead. If you don't want to, no big deal. The channel's not going to change. Stay tuned. We got a bunch of cool stuff coming up.